How to make phone number clickable in WordPress. So go to the WordPress website, go to your dashboard. On the left side, click on Pages. Here, look for the page where you want to put it in. Then click the three dots icon on the right of it. Then hit Edit. Just click anywhere on the page, then a plus icon should appear. Once you click the plus button, a search bar should appear. So just search for the button and then click it. It should input a new button on the page wherein you'll be asked to add text. Here, I'll just type call. To edit the button, click the settings icon on the top right. Then once the divided part on the right appears, you can edit things like size, border size, and color. Now to put a number in the button, just click the button and then click on the link icon. A text box will appear. Here just type tell, then add a colon, and then input the number that you will use. So that is how to make a phone number clickable in WordPress. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.